Alright, today we're going to change the spoiler. 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix. So, I'll show you how to take this off. Another one on. First thing we do is have to remove all these clips. And then there's like, I don't know, 6 nuts. I don't have all those fancy pry tools, but I have popping those little Christmas trees out. Get up underneath that some. Probably don't need to remove the whole thing, but for simplicity, why not? Yeah, I'm not removing the last one. Okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nuts. They're all 10 millimeter. You'll need a deep socket to get the corner ones. That on some so it don't drop. Alright, this is this wire right here. I'm going to unplug, just lift up that little clip tab there. Little tab, lift it up, very careful, old plastic, brittle. And this wire will push through the hole. Well, that one there's tight still. Oh, that's tight. That green coloring must have been some sort of thread sealant or something. Alright, so now lift right off. Pull the boot out. Alright, well, because I'm a little anal retentive, I'm gonna clean it off before I put the new one. Clearly this is not the original color. Pause it. Alright, so we got it all cleaned up, and now we just fish our wire through the hole, line up the studs with their holes. Don't want it to fall out. Put some nuts on it. It might just be that one nut there is gummed up, because everything else seems to be spinning good except for that nut. And it's on both studs. I think I have extra nuts in my pocket. Yeah, that spins on easy. That was just a bad nut. Alright. Plug it in. Click. Alright, I'll replace the nuts, slide this back on, put on the little push pins, and we're done. We've replaced the spoiler. Of course, I'll check and make sure the brake light actually works on this one. See if I need to replace, swap any parts over from another one. So, thanks for watching.